Alright guys, so I'm over here at this place called Motech Services, Performance and Services. They are this is where my car is, and he has a grand opening going on right now. So let's go check it out, man, and see what's going on. Got little cars out here. I know y'all hear that rumbling in the background. Hope you can anyway. But let's go. Right there. Phone number right there, and grand opening.
Even the little brown car and the blue car.
We got the same logo on the Pioneer.
Yeah, we had all the shocks and plates redone. And so it's running really smooth. What's the rack?
Headlights on. This is the stuff that Ray do. There you go. One of my favorites, Mustangs right there. Look back there. I know y'all see it. Way back there. That's me. Alright, y'all. Let me get back here.
I'm not using it for octane for the next hour. I'm just using it for workouts.
Money like I'm Reggie Miller. Sparky with me, got an ARP that hold a 50. I hit the club, I told that bitch you better show your titties. Flocko Jody with me. Bitches shaking ass up in Medicine.
Hey y'all, here we go. So gotta get all this fixed. I got all new rubber for this crap here. All new shit. Everything new. Yep, she's outside for right now, but we need to get her moving, which is it's already fixed. Figured out what the issue was. It's already fixed. I'm just waiting on the guy to do the tuning. Somebody left a damn Dr. Pepper in my shit. What the fuck? But need to get paint done. I got that shit there at home. This car need to be redone. Yep. Yes sir. Got a guy doing damn flips here and shit. Hope you don't fall or hurt his ass yet. GTO over there. Sounding like a beast. I think they're gonna close down the thing right here.
From the Southern Region Federation is my motherfucking legion. We don't believe in fake gods and we never trust niggas. Catch me on the zenith, 7 stations, 0 nations. my nation is the chaos, so I'm praying. Love and hate shit fades away day by day, night by night. No eye and no sight. Catch me on that scene, I'm like I'm Hercules and Zeno. I'm Big Daddy and Trina when the victims of Katrina, when the levees broke. There was never hope. Turn the TV up, I'm out the dope. About to make some dough. On a lighter note, catch me on the scene, I'm getting jammed with misdemeanors. That's until I change the channel to what happened to
What we did,
That's Ray right there. That's the owner. We're gonna hopefully do an interview with him here shortly. But until then, we'll get back. Got a carburetor on here. This is all called the blueprint. Nice car, man. Survivor right here. This is a Survivor. Oh, we got tunes in here too. Okay. All right. That's the old man right there. This is his. Yeah. And then they beat this. I don't know where you keep running to. We'll catch up to him now. The old guy right there. This is his car. Alright guys, so I'm here with Ray, owner of Motech, and we're gonna do a little interview with him right quick. How you doing,
What's up,
Ray?
man? How are you?
I'm great, man. I'm great.
Good, good.
Nice event, man. Congratulations on the grand opening.
Thank you, thank you.
Also, Ray is as the owner, I said, and he also is the man who's fixed my car. So we'll be out in the streets here in a week or two. But anyway, we're here to talk about Ray. So Ray, how long Motech been in business?
Man, we've been in business for 5 years.
5 years.
Yeah, we started out in a truck and a trailer. It was just me by myself, just trying to make a living. And it's just kind of progressed from there. Within a year of doing that, we rented our first shop. A year and a half into that, we grew, hired some guys, and then now we're year 5, we finally bought and purchased our own facility, 8-bay shop. It's on about 1.5 acres of land, and we've got, I mean, we've got quite a facility here, so it's awesome.
A great facility, as you can see. And he has plans on moving the dyno here?
Yeah. So we're gonna bring the dyno over. We're waiting. We're here in a few weeks. We've got guys coming to do some concrete work. We're gonna try to cut out concrete. This time we're gonna put the dyno in ground, make it a lot easier to drive on, and then we've got a couple more lifts coming, so we can utilize all the bays in here. So.
Okay. All right. Hey, so you guys have met Ray, an outstanding individual. This is what he does, as you've seen me going through today, and we're gonna say congrats again to you. Congrats to Motech.
Thank you.
And
man,
great business in the future, man.
Honestly, I appreciate it. I couldn't have done it without people like y'all. Like it's all customer based, man. Like I get it, I started it, but this is all a group. It's a group effort. My wife, my kids, other local shops that have helped out, and all my guys that work for me. So I owe all of y'all a thank you for making this a dream come true and an opportunity. So thank y'all.
Well, man, we appreciate you, man.
We just do what we do.
Number one thing, man, great work. Honest business.
Honest.
And I mean, with the way things go today, you can't even tell who's
it's hard to find, man, and that's really what I wanted to do, is bring back that old school vibe. You know, there was that my grandfather, my dad, they owned their own businesses many years ago, and I always remembered how it used to be a place where guys could come and hang out and just speak honest, and it wasn't so hush hush on what you did in the shop, you know. So that's what I try to do is make it just it's a revolving door here. Everybody here is welcome. So I appreciate you. Thank you.
And a great family business. So
absolutely.
Once again, congrats, man.
Thanks a lot, brother.
Alrighty. Hey, we're gonna catch y'all on the next video. Peace.